Hello, my name is George from SSDD, and today we are showcasing our race-inspired carbon steering wheels. These have been customized for our customers. As you can see, we have a variant of steering wheels for different models. Here we have for an F-Series BMW, a Mercedes, and the older models of the E46 variants. We have them made fully customized for your needs. Over here we have one in Alcantara with tricolor stitching with carbon fiber inserts on the 2 and 9 positions. As you can actually see from here, top and bottom carbon fiber, which could be done in black carbon as you see here, blue, red, or any color of your choosing, as long as we have them available. We could also have them in perforated leather, contoured shape, and over here a non-contoured shape. The choices of stitching are also available. This one comes in black stitching right here as per our customer's request, and we have also the options of center carbon trims as an additional to your options. And over here we'll show you the fully customized LED display. Now as you can see here with the LEDs, they could also be fully customized in different colors of your choosing by simple programming. And on the center here is your main LED display. Now, dependent on the vehicle that you have, they will display different information. For example, revs, speed, oil temperature, and water temperature. Here is an example of the carbon trim chosen by our customer. Again, fully customized to how you want it done. You could have the top and bottom, or as per this option here, he has opted for the deleted button on the top trim on his E39. Now every wheel is made using the original OEM steering wheel, so retaining the safety of the original options on your car. We retain the use of your original airbags, and for some they retain the use of your original trim. We have partnered with a 9001 accredited manufacturer to ensure all this safety are in place. If you need any more information, please go on our website www.ssddmotorsport.com, and you will be able to choose any of the options that you want, and then you will get the pricing of your chosen wheel. Thank you very much.